Ansys tutorial. Composite materials are created by combining two or more layered materials, each with different properties. These materials have become a standard for products that are both light and strong. Composites provide enough flexibility so products with complex shapes, such as boat hulls and surfboards, can be easily manufactured. Engineering layered composites involve complex definitions that include numerous layers, materials, thicknesses, and orientations. The engineering challenge is to predict how well the finished product will perform under real-world working conditions. This involves considering stresses and deformations as well as a range of failure criteria. Ansys Composite Prep Post provides all necessary functionalities for the analysis of layered composite structures. Who this course is for: 1. Mechanical engineer, 2. Composite material researcher, 3. Composite student. What will I learn? 1. They will be able to model simple and complex composite models in Ansys. 2. They will be able to work with ACP tools. 3. They will be able to work with different Ansys analysis tools in the workbench. 4. They will learn how to work with the Ansys workbench.